This fragrance might be formulated in a way that is more dated, some might deem, but this is one I actually wear, and it's pretty good. But this is a spicy amber fragrance. It was launched in 1984. This scent was created by the infamous Jacques Polge, and the notes are... I am certain that this fragrance has undergone reformulations since the 80s. Certainly the civet you saw on the list is currently there only in synthetic form, if at all. The heavier oriental woody grand dame of the Cocos. It's deep, it's intense, it's ambery, it's spicy. Yeah, it's not overflowing with fruits or florals at all, aside from perhaps some rose. But there are fruits and florals, but the juice and the petals become a mashed compote in this blend. Coco Chanel is classy and classic. It's old school. It's a quality perfume, but probably not for those who default to the more flirty, modern, lighter, and simpler concoctions that you can find on the market today. The reason for this is because all the fruit, florals, and spices that you'd also find in more up-to-date hits are combined with a lot of resins like the Apopanax and the Labdanum. There's also a leathery, balsamic quality to this scent, along with a certain animalic but still, it's a floriental, my lovelies. It's not on the list, but I also get a sweet and tropical frangipani type of vibe from the scent, sprinkled with lots of powder and then pelted with juicy plums that somehow rather gently explode upon impact, infusing the air with particles of powder. You know? The thing is bright, sparkly, billowy, bracing, and yeah, it's a little perfumey at first spritz, so do practice restraint if you lean toward trigger-heavy tendencies. Rest assured, though, if you do overspray this, it does eventually calm down into some kind of wonderful. Romantically rosy, incensey mid-notes, and a warm and cozy dry down.